So today we went snorkeling off the like really rocky coast area, and basically we were trying to catch shy sharks, which are like the little like 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, blue foot, I don't know, littler sharks, and they're like swimming in the kelp forest. So we go in and the water is like really cold, so we're wearing like 7mm wetsuits, and I think it definitely helped a lot because I wasn't that cold after that, but after like the initial kind of like shock, and then you're good. But the current was so strong today. It was like every 2 seconds we had to grab onto the kelp, and like it was like really dragging us, you know. And so we didn't see a whole lot of shy sharks, but one of our members caught one, and so we measured it, and then I set it free. It was pretty cool. I think we're going night fishing again tonight. We did that another night, but we only caught the one shark. I think I filmed that. But yeah, so we're going again. We'll see if I catch anything. Also, I don't think I showed these, but these are shark egg purses, or mermaid purses. So basically shark eggs. And these were by the ocean when we were doing our ocean cleanup, so I picked them up. And you can see the different kinds, since they're different species of sharks. And like how different their egg casings look, you know? So this one is a baby that never hatched, so it's still in here, obviously dead, but it's really cool. I'm so interested to like, I wish I could like open it and see what it looks like, but I'm kind of afraid to do that. And then this thing is a huge stingrays lay this for like their mermaid purses, and it definitely hatched, as you can see. So they're pretty cool. I don't know if I'll keep them or not, but they're cool to look at. Look what I found. I don't know why they have this in there. It's in like this, I don't know, entertainment thing. It must be for a costume party. But it's so cute. Fun times. Maybe it was like for Halloween. I wonder. I just thought I'd show you because it's really funny. Anyways, let me finish our tour of the house. This is the patio area I was telling you about, with a lovely view of the ocean in the morning. Beautiful. And then we have like a family area upstairs. Oops, sorry, my finger's covering the camera. A family area. There's my room back there and 2 others. And we have another balcony. And there's our backyard, if you can even see that. It's a very long balcony, but next to the family room, there's a bar. More family tables. And then kitchen, bathroom, fireplace. It's huge. Yeah. And that's all upstairs. Pretty much. I'll show you downstairs some other time. I don't want to bother my roommates. It's so weird saying that.